What's up everyone? Today we're gonna be unboxing the Pokemon TCG Demo Decks. This box we got from the new trainer journey program that we attended. And let's just go and unbox it. This came with the new trainer journey voucher, which entitles us to get this uh, deck box and some card sleeves that we can use once we enter the games. So that's a really good program. And it also came with a paper play mat. So for today, we're gonna be unboxing this demo deck. So let's just put this aside and let's start right now. The new Trainer Journey program is a program that the Pokemon company made so that they can invite new players to play the game. It is a tutorial kind of event where we get taught how to play the games. So let's just see what's inside this box right now. Okay. Inside the box, you can find a flip coin and the EX cards that will be part of the decks that will be opening later. And this is the deck box. Inside is the two decks that we're going to open later. And they also have damage counters inside. And then they have these leaflets and booklets that has tutorials for how to play the game and some infos about the cards and the process and everything. This one also serves as a guide for both players to know how to start and play the game. Okay. So they also included a paper play mat where you can play. So that we already have the other one because these demo decks is good for at least two player to enjoy. So you'll see here the bench part, the active, it's all written in here and so that people can learn to play. Okay, so let's go right ahead to see what's inside this deck box. Okay, let me just open it and we'll see and give a detailed thing of what's inside. For the fire deck, we have the Charizard EX earlier, 2 Charmeleons, 2 Charmanders, 2 Torkoal, 2 Houndoom, and 2 Houndour. And with trainer cards, we got 2 Great Balls, 2 Nemona, 1 Clabell, 1 Jack, 1 Potion, 1 Switch, and 1 Youngster. And for this set, we're gonna use 10 basic fire energy. So that's what the fire deck for this demo deck has. And let's see for the next deck. The next deck would be the Pikachu EX deck. This consists of 30 cards. So let's start with the Pikachu EX from the earlier. 2 Kilowatt Trolls, 2 Watt Trolls, 2 Palmot, 2 Palmo, 2 Palmy, and 1 Miraidon. For the trainer cards, they have 2 Great Balls, 2 Nemona, 1 Clavel, 1 Jack, 1 Potion, 1 Switch, and 1 Youngster. And with this deck, they have 10 basic electric energy cards. The main star of these decks would be the Pikachu EX and the Charizard EX cards. These are basic demo decks, so they're just easier to play and for beginners to learn how to play. And this also comes with the new Trainer Journey card deck box. We got it using the new Trainer Journey voucher we got after doing the learning session with the trainers. So I do hope you get something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.